Hi, welcome to Patterns. In this video, you will learn more about repeated patterns. But first, let's go through some basics. There are basically two types of patterns that grow or patterns that repeat. So these are the main two types. For these repeating patterns, you can see that each set here, which is made up of triangle, square, and circle, they keep repeating itself. Or you can see here, each set is 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. But if you look at growing patterns, it kind of gets bigger and bigger, isn't it? From 1 to 4, from 4 to 9. Or if you look at the numerical pattern, from 1 to 1, 2, 1, then 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Can you guess what is next? Yes, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So for repeated patterns, these are the questions that are usually appearing in MCQ or short answer questions, usually 2 marks. Okay, these are some examples of repeated patterns. So the most important thing here is to check that all sets are exactly the same. They are exactly the same. I must stress this again. Okay, because if you don't identify the patterns correctly, you will get the whole question wrong. Okay, so in order for us to be very sure, we circle the patterns. Okay, by doing this, we can count how many units are there in each set, and we can also check that the units, the sets are exactly the same. So with this information, this number of units, okay, we can use this information to find the answer. Let's try a question. What is the pattern formed by the shapes? Did you get this? So again, always circle the patterns. Which shape is remainder 1? The white square. Remainder 2? This one. The shaded square. Any remainder 3? No, because each set is made up of 3 units. So if we divide by 3, there should not be any remainder. So if there's no remainder, which shape is it? The circle. So let's try one question. Which shape is number 47? You can press pause button now and try to solve the question. Okay, let's check your answer. Since there are 3 units in each set, so 47 divided by 3, you get 15, remainder 2. And which shape is remainder 2? The shaded square. Let's try a PSLE question. You can press the pause button now and try to solve the question by yourself. Okay, are you ready to check your answers? Let's go through the steps. First, of course, we must identify the pattern. And to do that, we boxed it up or we circled it. Did you get the pattern correct? So in each set, there are 5 units. And since 1 unit is 1 centimeter, so we can say each set here is 5 centimeter. The ribbon is 60 centimeter long. So we can 60 centimeter divided by 5 centimeter to find out how many sets of 5 centimeter are there. Now look at the question. How many gray segments are there? And look at this. There are 1 and 2 in each set. So total number of gray segments will be 2 times 12 sets equal to 24 grays. Did you get this right? Let's try another question. Now again, press the pause button and try to solve it yourself. Okay, let's go through the questions and solve it together. Identify the pattern first. I hope you get this. Each set, there are 8 units. And since we are looking for the 69th position, 69 divided by 8, and then you will get 8R5. What this means is there are 8 sets of 8 units, and then after that you have 5 remainders. And which letter is R5? Or which letter is the 5th remainder? This is remainder 1, remainder 2, remainder 3, remainder 4, remainder 5. So the answer is D. Did you get this right? Let's try another one. This is slightly different. Okay, again, press pause, solve it yourself. Okay, are you ready? Okay, first identify the pattern. Okay, because we read here 2 whites between every 2 black, so some of you may be confused that, hey, shouldn't there be 4 beads in each set? But if you circle it, you can see that each set there are only 3 beads, 1 black and 2 whites. And take note here, this black one here, it doesn't have any white together with it. So this one here doesn't form a set according to how we circle our beads. So we take this out since this can't form a set. So we have 13 sets with 1 black and 2 whites. And since there are 2 whites in each set, so there are 13 times 2 equals to 26 whites. There's another way to solve this question. Simply by continuing to draw out the patterns. Okay, take note that you need total 14 black beads. So just fill in the pattern, make sure you have exactly 14 blacks. Like this. So you can count the total number of whites. You will notice that again it's the same answer as the previous method, 26. Okay, sometimes you will have a repeated pattern question, but the picture is not given to you. So you may have to draw it out to get a clearer picture instead of trying to imagine it in your brain. For example, a total of 110 people stand in a queue for concert tickets. There are at least 3 women between any 2 men. What is the largest possible number of men in a queue? Okay, press pause now. Try to solve it yourself. Okay, let's go through them. Okay, first of all, did you do 110 divided by 5? Because your set is 3 women plus 2 men. It is very easy for us to have this false assumption that one set is equals to 3 women plus 2 men. Okay, but if you draw the picture out, you will notice that that's not the case. Look at this. How many people in each set? What is the pattern? One set is actually 1 man plus 3 women. It's actually 4 units in each, 4 people. So what you should be doing is 110 divided by 4, which you will get 27 sets with 2 remainders. And these 2 remainders include 1 man here. Okay, so since there are 27 sets times 1 man in each set plus this guy here, you will get your answer 28. Did you get it right? Okay, that is all for the repeated patterns. Please tune in for the next video on growing patterns. Thank you.